I welcome you back again to another video lecture on C++ programming, and in this video lecture we go ahead and learn how to delete an element from an array. So we're going to create a simple project that will help us to delete an element from an array, and it's going to be very straightforward. First of all, we go ahead and start immediately by initializing variables of x, y, then the array, and let the array be 200, and position of the array. Put a semicolon at the end. So we go ahead and request the user to choose the range of array element. So say choose range of array element, and go ahead and end line. So let's save this right inside x, put a semicolon, and then we go ahead and insert the array element. So cout, so tell the user insert x array, insert x array elements only. Alright, so we go ahead and use the for loop because it's an array to pick it up. So using the for loop, we go ahead and say y is equal to 0 plus semicolon, and y is less than x plus semicolon, and y increment. So hope there is no mistake right here. Then let's go ahead and using the input stream, we go ahead and save that right inside the array with the value of y, and put a semicolon at the end. So we have to choose the position of the element which we want to delete. So go ahead and tell the user choose the position of the array of the element, choose the position of the element you want to delete. Alright, so choose the position of the element you want to delete, and go ahead and use the input stream to save that right inside pause, and put a semicolon at the end. So now we go ahead and use an if statement to delete that. So if position, that is pause, if position is greater than or equal to x plus 1. So if position is greater than or equal to x plus 1, then cout, say this operation is not possible. So if you impute, maybe you have 5 elements, I went and choose position 6, that means it's not possible to delete that. Okay, else because we go ahead and use a for loop and say for y equal to pose minus 1. So for y equal to pose minus 1, put a semicolon, and y less than x minus 1. So it is going to be within the maximum value, that is x minus 1, that is the maximum value, and then y increment. So y equal to the position, delete the position, that is y position minus 1, that is pose minus 1, and y must be less than the maximum value. So it must be something that is within the range. Okay, so you go ahead and say amount with the value of y is equal to amount of y plus 1 and put a semicolon at the end. Wow, that is an array y plus 1, put a semicolon at the end. Okay, so go ahead and close this. Okay, so the for loop is closed. Now you go outside the else statement. Okay, you go outside the else statement, and then we print out that. So print out, see out, I want to say the results of the array after deletion is. So the result of the array after deletion is end line. Go ahead and use a for loop to print that out. Go ahead and use a for loop and say that y is equal to 0, put a comma, and y is less than x minus 1 plus semicolon, and y increment. So you go ahead and say C out and print out amount of y values and end that. Okay, put a semicolon at the end. So before we go ahead and run this code, let's go ahead and put an output stream right here. Okay, so here put output stream right here, and let's run this code and check it out. So choose range of elements and let's say 5, insert 5 array elements only, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and hit enter. So choose the position of the element you want to delete. Let's say position 4, and the result of the array element after deletion is 1, 2, 3, and 5. You can see that is really working out very perfect. Let's go ahead and try out one more time. Choose range of elements 7. So insert 7 elements, array elements only. 78, 65, 34, 12, 89, 76, 100. So choose the position of the elements you want to delete. Let's say position 6, and 76 is removed. Can you see that? It's working out very fine. Go ahead and close this. The code is just valid before you. Put it down on your system, play around with it, and check it out more on this. In case if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.